One of the most important things you'll need to decide when making a will is who to appoint as the executor or executors of your will. The main functions of the executor are to administer your estate in accordance with the terms of your will. I often refer to an executor as a project manager because there will be lots of duties that they'll need to undertake and lots of decisions that they'll need to make, such as when to sell property, who to appoint as the real estate agent, and if required, apply for probate of your will to the Supreme Court in the state where you reside. Other duties that an executor will undertake include paying the deceased person's debts, finalising their taxation affairs, and ultimately administering the estate in accordance with the provisions of the will. So as you can see, the role of an executor can be quite involved. So obviously you need to choose someone that you trust to administer your estate in accordance with your wishes. In deciding who to choose as your executor, it's important to make sure that they're actually willing to take on the role. There's nothing worse than finding out you're an executor of someone's estate after the person has died. Most people will tend to choose a loved one or a number of people close to them to be their executors. But if you're choosing more than one executor, it's really important to ensure that you're choosing people that will be able to get along, because they're going to need to be able to work together in carrying out their role. So if you're appointing siblings or family members, just be aware of family dynamics and politics. If you've got a particularly complex estate, it may be worthwhile choosing executors with different skills. For example, someone with financial skills or someone with a keen interest in the housing market. It's a good idea, if you're appointing just one executor, to think about a substitute person to step in if that first appointed person can't act for any reason. Regardless of who you choose as your executor, your lawyer at Coleman Greig will be able to assist him or her with what can often be a difficult process and ensure that your wishes are looked after. So these are the most commonly asked questions about the role of an executor, but if you do have any other questions or concerns, please contact a member of our estate planning team at Coleman Greig Lawyers.